Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today we're going to take a look at few of the brand new Cydia tweaks that just got dropped in the last couple days, and it's already installed on my device and they're working just fine. There's no issue, there's no problem. And if I download on my something on my device, and if I like it, and I go ahead and make a video and bring it out to you guys. So in return, I only ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this, so you guys don't miss any videos in the future. And also, if you subscribe to my channel, it will help me a long way. So that's been said, now we're gonna jump into Cydia, and we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the first Cydia tweak for this video, and it is going to be this one right here. It is at least, I think that's how you pronounce this, but as you guys can see, Atlas is a minimalistic video player replacement. It replaces the bulky stock player with a clean and restricted look, and new features such as double tap to rewind and fast forward, and similar to the YouTube app. So that's all it does. And as you guys can see right here, there's a few screenshots of that, as you guys can see right here. And then there's a second one. This is the setting page once you download this tweak. But now let me mention one thing. As you guys can see, I'm reading I show you guys a description on this. This is from the Pixel, and this one costs you 50 cents, which is not bad. I mean, it is reasonable. But there's another repo that it is available from, and it's right this one right here. And all you have to do, download this, and once you download this, then you have to go into your settings and go to tweak, and it's going to be this one right here. As you guys can see, this is the tweak. Once you open this up, this is the interface for this, and only about three options you have to do is first to enable this, and then next one is the next two, double E tab, and then you enable all these three, and then you get what this tweak says in the description. Is that easy? Is that simple? And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out if you guys are tired of looking at these same boring now playing on your lock screen. And this is really awesome. It will change your life once you guys download it and have it on your screen. Now the next one we are going to talk about is let me find that. Actually, I'm gonna go into install recent, and in this list it'd be easy to find. It's been a couple days since I downloaded this tweak, and it's going to be this one right here. So it is LottieLockScreen, as you guys can see right here, LottieLockScreen, and so there's a name, LottieLockScreen, and then as you guys can see, your iOS version is supported. In my iPhone 11 Pro Max is jailbroken on 14.3 using Unc0ver. And as you guys can see right there, this the description, what you can, what you cannot do, and all the settings and everything you can do with this. And as you guys can see right here, read through this description. It's pretty long description, so I just don't want to sit here and take your time reading through it, which, I mean, once you find this tweak, and definitely you're gonna look into it and you're gonna read through it. And configuration option from the setting comparable with the iOS 12, iOS 13, and iOS 14. So whatever the version that you jailbroken on, whatever the jailbreak that you're using, you can download this and just use it. And also, as you guys can see, animation name clock. So you got the clock clone JSON, and then you got the clock 0 JSON, and then you got clock 1 JSON, so all the way to clock 9 JSON. So this is really awesome Cydia tweak, let me tell you guys, and I'm going to show you guys on my device as well. Just want to mention it is free. Right above the screenshot, as you guys can see, says this package is free. So now the next step, we're going to click on the screenshot, see if I can pull up the screenshot. So there you go. As you guys can see right here, this is the look at the time, and then you got the second shot. As you guys can see the time right here, and then this is the welcome screen. Once you download and open this tweak in your setting, and this is the welcome screen, and give you the info, the lock screen, and the download. And then this is the setting page, which is I'm going to show you guys right now. So once you download this, go to your setting, go to your tweaks, and find the lock screen right here. And as you guys can see, this is the interface, and then you got the first option right here, as you guys can see, Lottie. And if we click on that, then you have all these clocks that you should choose from. But with the default, they all gonna be in a disable section down here, but you're gonna have to press the plus sign and then move it and enable Lottie, and then that's when it's going to take effect. And then the next option, as you guys can see, you have the color. So if you click on the color, you can do default, you can do custom. So if you do custom, you can pick your favorite colors, as you guys can see right here, through the color picker. But what I did was I left it on default. So whatever the developers set the color, that's what I went with, because I like those colors. And I'm going to show you guys my lock screen as well. And then the next option is the element setting. So if we click on the clock, and then you can change the size, the height, the elements, like this one. And then we're going to do this one a little bit, and then I'm going to change this, the clock column size. And then once you pick the settings, and once you and also I just want to mention before we step to the next one, I'm just jumping forward. So the next option is quick action button. If we click on that, basically what these are, as you guys can see on the top, is flush animation, and then you got the camera animation. So you can turn those on, and then as you guys can see, you got the loop animation, and then you got the size right here. With this grabber, you can do the size. So let's do it right here. And once you pick your settings, and once you think you like it, all you have to do, hit the respring button and confirm. And what this is going to do is going to respring your device. And once they come back, then we'll take a look at it. So now we can drag down from the top. So as you guys can see, my clock, you got really awesome, really nice, colorful animation, and this is preloaded with the tweak. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this, as you guys can see. And if we look at in the bottom, you can see the flashlight and the camera. The icons are really small, really tiny, and then look at the animation on those. So they always animating with the clock, and it look really cool, and that's why I just want to throw it in this video. So now we're gonna go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna take a look at the next Cydia tweak, which is going to be, so I'm gonna go into install recent, and next one is, let me find that. So next one is Lottie status bar. As you guys can see right here, this is the Cydia Tweak Lottie status bar. And then with this, as you guys can see, same thing for same thing like LottieLockScreen. You have so much settings to do with it and to mess with it. And there is this is the description, a pretty long description like the other one. And I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. And also, I just want to show you guys while we're in a Cydia that if we open up the screenshot, and as you guys can see, this is your welcome screen, and then you got this is the setting page in your setting. And then once you download this, go into your settings, go to your tweaks, and then we're gonna find the Lottie status bar, which is right this one right here. If we open up, this is your interface, and as you guys can see, Lottie, and then you have all these things that is going to be in the disable Lottie section, but then you have to able it. And once you able it, and then next option is your color. And as you guys can see right here, so this one I went with the custom color, and I picked the yellow color for this. And as you guys can see on the status bar, looking on the top left corner, as you guys can see, my clock is animating, and then you got the Wi-Fi on the right side, and then the battery. As of right now, my phone is not connected to the charger, but as you guys can see, the battery got animation like it's charging. And then as you guys can see, the Wi-Fi signal on the next to the battery, and it's animating, goes dead, and then it's just draw the lines for the bar. And then same thing with the clock on the left side. So this is really awesome and really nice Cydia tweak for your status bar, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking it out. Now if we go back into the Cydia, and we're gonna look at the next Cydia tweak, and which is going to be, let me find that. Okay, let me go up. It's here somewhere, guys. Just give me one quick sec. So there you go. So there's this one right here, Snapify. And Snapify is basically, as you guys can see right here, Snapify, and then a tweak to modernize the message app with a feel similar to you. So whatever the feel that you like on your message app, you can do it with this tweak. As you guys see, Snapify help consider your message behavior and remove the send arrow from the composition view in the message app. And so I mean, you guys can read through this description, and also it is really nice. And let me show you guys the image. As you guys can see right here, this is the image, and it really look cool. And I mean, I like it, and I hope you guys like it too. And it is free to download and free to use, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking this one out. Now the next one we are going to talk about, and this is going to be last Cydia tweak for this video, and it is going to be this one right here. It's as you guys can see there, competent battery avocado. Now as you guys can see, just the look at the name, and then as you guys can see right here, description: show battery percentage on 2x2 battery widget iOS 14. This package tested on to be working on iOS 14.3 might not work on other iOS versions. So you have to download it and test it yourself, make sure it works. And I mean, it don't hurt if you install it. If you don't see the options and if you don't see anything for it, just go back in the Cydia and uninstall it. It won't hurt, but for me it works perfect and I like it, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this one and checking this one out. So that's been said, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video like this. Now that's out of the way. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.